This program is very interesting because I think it's a unique mix between ecological field skills and the social context in which we are currently living on. This course was ecology research methods, and so we were working with acoustic detectors, camera traps. We did different sampling techniques in the field, working with trees. It's definitely actually one of the careers of the future. And once you combine this with other fields that are growing, that are developing fast, we need to keep in mind that all these different tools, all these different um, fields of research, we have to see it as one. That's exactly the goal of this program, to see nature and people as one. And so it's really encouraging to have students come interested in this topic and sharing knowledge, sharing backgrounds, and working together for making the program a really, really cool experience for everyone.